Hello, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so I'm gonna get in on this shit, tell you where it's from. There's a few products in here that that I don't know where they're from because my boyfriend got it from Let Go in a bundle, all for $15. I should probably start with the little things. I got this cute little Halloween dress for my dog Stormy. It's got a little pumpkin on it. It's so cute. I got this over at Dee Dee's Discount. But I'm going to put this on my dog today because today I'm going to be decorating later on though. And because one of my friends wanted to see Stormy in this, and I kind of want to see what she looks like in it too. Hopefully it fits her because she's not, I don't think she's all this big, but I think it'll fit. It's really cute. But like I said, if you're looking for a little Halloween stuff for your dogs or your cat, Dee Dee's is where it's at. So I got these little pumpkins at the 99-cent store. They're super sparkly. I only got 2 of them. I also got these from the 99-cent store. So these are for like candles, but I got these for my makeup brushes. They're little cobwebs. Super cute. I got this also from the 99-cent store. It's a little cobweb with a little sparkly spider. It comes with a little suction thing so you don't have to like drill a hole in your wall or anything. It will literally stick anywhere. But be careful when you buy from the 99-cent store because, you know, it's obviously really fucking cheap. My little web is already broken, so I kind of had to tie it up right there. My dogs and my cat are absolutely terrified of this thing, but it's my cute little spooky bat. You can hang this too. She's so cute. I'm not gonna lie, she don't look like a bat. She kind of looks like a moth with some bat wings. But like I said, be careful where you put your 99-cent store stuff because it is gonna break. As you can tell, the hot glue has already came out from this little wing. It has been detached. But I still think she's cute. I'm gonna glue it on still because I want to hang her up. But yeah, 99-cent store. So I got these little bones from Michael's. These glow in the dark and the little cobweb holders that I showed you guys where I'm going to put my makeup brushes. I'm going to put these in there to fill. That way they could stick better. So this is obviously going to go in my kitchen. I got this from Marshall's. They come with 2 little kitchen towels. So one looks like this and the other one has all the poodles and the pumpkins on it. I got this tablecloth from Dee Dee's. I just touched it to see how it feels because there's some tablecloths that don't feel right, and we got one last year for Christmas and it just did not feel so good. But I just touched this one and it feels fine. I only got it for $4 at Dee Dee's Discount. Already getting in on the doormat. Marshmallow, stop! It's not for you! Hey, stop! I got this candle from Dee Dee's Discount. The scent is Tobacco Woods. They had a red, green, and purple one. I like the red one. The red one smelled really good. But Adrian liked this one. I think he was actually looking for the theme. In the beginning, I didn't have a theme. I was just grabbing shit and just throwing it in my cart, but I can make it work. This one I got at Big Lots. This one was probably like one of my favorite purchases. So this is a little fake succulent, and I think it's so cute. It's really cute. I got this for $12 over at Big Lots. Let me go ahead and show you some of the bundle stuff that Adrian got for me. This all came in a bundle from some lady on Let Go, and she sold it for only $15. So we have those frames where, like, if you look from one angle it looks okay, and then from another angle it looks all spooky. I don't know if you could see it on the camera, but yeah, they're really cute. This one was probably my favorite one, and she gave us 4 of them. So there was those 2, and then then she gave us these mirrors with skulls on them. It's a little mirror, but it's not like an actual mirror. It kind of like just has a distortion towards it. But they're cute. They're really cute. I think I'm gonna put some in the hallway. Then I have some of these skulls. I think she got these at Michael's. She also gave us one of these. I think I'm going to hang this in the kitchen. It's really cute. Yeah, it's like kind of like family friendly. It's not really like part of my theme that I'm going for. She gave us this little skeleton thing. I think her theme last year was skeletons. She gave us, here's the first one. They light up too, so let me show you how this one looks when it's lit up. I don't know if you'll be able to tell, but the jack-o'-lanterns light up. And so there's like the little lights on the house. See? Voila! And then for the other house, this one was probably my favorite one. It says, I put a spell on you. And it looks like this, and it lights up as well. I think she left the batteries in here because this is what happens when it turns on. Bam! Super cute. The spiders light up. The little candle lights light up. But yeah, that's really cute. This is the cute little bird, little skeleton bird. Like I said, I think her theme last year was skeletons. So I also got this at the 99-cent store. It's really cute. It's all glittery, has a little skull in it, and the skull lights up. I don't know if you could tell, but I have a lantern that is also from the 99-cent store, and it lights up. I don't know if you could tell, but it lights up. Ta-da. I got this at Dollar Tree. As you can tell, it does not go with my spooky vibe. This is more like fall, Thanksgiving. It says pumpkin spice and everything nice. But since like my kitchen is more like spooky friendly, this is probably going to be going there. It's cute too and it sparkles. So yeah. Halloween doormat. This is from Michael's and it is like a Ouija board kind of theme. It says trick or treat. This one was really cute. I think I only spent like $11 on it because they have a sale going on right now. So go to Michael's if you want a really cute doormat. So I got this tree over at Big Lots. It's $30. It's a little tabletop tree. And I think it's cute. It's super cute. And I cannot wait to put this up. I really like this. This is going in my room. I don't care who sees it, but this is going to come in my room. I got this at Ross, and I'm so glad I found this because I've been really into the neon lights lately. This is a little wall light, and it's shaped like a bat. It's so cute. I cannot wait to put this up in my room. That bat is going in our room, and so is this pillow that I got from, I think, Ross. And it says, resting witch face. And super cute. These are from Big Lots, and they were $14 each. So, this one says spooky. They both say spooky on it, and they're little long pillows. They're also really soft. They have the same fabric material as my little witch one. And then I have this last pillow that says Home Sweet Home. And it's shaped like a coffin. These are going to be going into my living room because my living room is themed like a dark gray yellow. So I don't think the black is going to make much of a difference because where I have my TV, the little setup is black. So this will definitely go because the yellow is kind of like this color. But yeah. Thank you so much for coming to my little Halloween decor haul. I'll put every place that I went to down below. But yeah, thank you, and I hope you guys have a happy Halloween.